Hi friend, myself and Dr. Surajit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel Dr. Ghosh Presents. Today's subject of discussion is utilities of Kegel exercises. Let us first know who was Kegel. He was an eminent gynecologist of USA, full name Arnold Henry Kegel. He invented an instrument called pereniometer to measure the capacity of voluntary contractibility of the muscles of pelvis in women. He suggested a few exercises to treat incapacities of holding urine and stool owing to weakness of the muscles of perineum in women. Later, these exercises were proved to be very efficacious and now known as Kegel exercises. Just note the small video on the right hand side, and this is actually the perineum created by these various bones in the pelvic regions, and the video shows how it is formed with the help of various muscles, bones, tendons. When it is finished, I will discuss on the figures on the left hand side. Now let us take the figure on the left hand side. The pubis, this one is pubis. Actually, this pubis means this region. Only this region is called pubis. This region is called pubis. But the whole tumbler-like figure, this is pelvis, and the floor of the pelvis is the perineum. This is shown on the right hand side, and the muscles are shown in the bottom figure of left hand side. There are so many muscles. Note that there are so many muscles attached to bones. So many muscles, and in this muscle there are two important orifices. Urethral orifice. This is urethral orifice. This is vaginal orifice, and this is anal. Anus. This is anal orifice of anal canal. So these orifices are most important thing. What happens when the muscles get relaxed? This orifice is also relaxed, and so many trouble arises in the women. Now this Kegel exercises tries to mend this thing without any medicine. Without any medicine. This is the beauty of this Kegel exercises. Please mind, without any medicine, they are trying to recover the muscles tone, elasticity, so that the women gets recovered. Now we will discuss about the utilities of Kegel exercises. Number one, to bring voluntary control on leaking out of urine or stool unknowingly. Number two, to check quick fall of semen during sexual intercourse in men. Number three, to control benign hypertrophy of prostate gland in men. Number four, to reduce the tendency of prolapse of uterus in the women. On the right hand side, you see the uterus is coming out through vaginal orifice. Number five, to improve the orgasm during coition. That is something else, but it is also very, very important in human life, particularly in conjugal life. In conjugal sphere, this is very important for the couple to continue good relationship, that is orgasm during coition. So all these five are the beneficial side of Kegel exercises. Mind it, and you will get this benefit without any medicine. Without any medicine, just practicing a few simple exercises. How to practice Kegel exercises? Number one, during urination, each man and woman can practice it every time. Just after start of flow of urine, hold the flow by contraction of perineal muscles for 3 seconds. Count it Kegel 1. Then release the flow and hold the same again for 3 seconds. Count it Kegel 2. In this way, 10 Kegel make a set. Make 4 sets of Kegel in a day. That is, throughout the day, you have to make at least 4 sets of Kegel. And this contraction relaxation of the perineal muscles, the muscles around your anal region, in the perineal region. This is the basic thing of Kegel exercises. The basic things of Kegel exercises. There are so many other forms also. It will be coming one by one. 2. Besides, one can practice it at any convenient time and place, lying on mattress in supine, prone, half prone position, or sitting on a chair or rolling ball or soft pillow. In this case, you have to contract and release the perineal muscles in the same way discussed in procedure 1. That is, not during urination. Rather, at any point of time, as per your convenience, you can practice this. In so many ways, the technique is same. You lie down or you sit, then you contract your perineal muscles, 3 seconds, then release. Then again contract, then release. Then again contract, release. You can continue it. You can continue at any position, any time, as per your convenience. These exercises can be practiced by healthy as well as sick persons. If a sick person does not get any benefit after practicing this continuously for 3 months, he or she should report the matter to his physician. Number 4, healthy persons practicing it would be benefited such that they would have less and less chance of being affected with the diseases or situation mentioned. 5. In fact, the procedure of urination described in 1 above should be practiced by one and all always. It is the healthiest way to maturate. Later, a lot of different exercises and yogasanas have been included in Kegel exercises. A few have been cited here. Number 1, butterfly sit-up. This is butterfly sit-up. Number 2, Bhujangasana. Number 3, Salbhasana. Number 4, crunch. Number 5, sit-up. Number 6, plank. With this, the video just ends. Thank you for seeing and listening. Please don't forget to subscribe me if you have not yet. Actually, I am very poor. I am very poor in my subscription. My total number of friends in Facebook may be 5,000, around 5,000. But you can see, you can check my subscription. So poor. And the YouTube authorities have warned me that if I don't get the required number of subscription, my channel might have been cancelled.